Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the exact formula. Well, what does the exact formula do? It actually goes ahead and checks whether two strings are exactly the same, and if they are same it will return the answer as true. If they are not, it will return the answer as false. It is a case sensitive formula and works with text, numbers, symbols, and with multiple text in a cell. So how does it? I have already used this over here in this example. Like, see, these are exactly the same, so it's returning as true. Here, they're not exactly the same because here the B is in uppercase, here the B is in lowercase. These are two totally different things. Hence, it is false. Numbers, it works correctly. If I use two over here, so it becomes as false. Over here, I've used a sentence, I am happy. Here it is also, I am happy. However, here all the first letters are in uppercase and hence it is showing as false. Let me show you how to now create this formula. So you type in is equal to exact, and it says checks whether two text strings are exactly the same and returns true or false. Exact is case sensitive. So you type in exact, open the bracket, select one text, comma, select the other text, close the bracket, enter. The answer is true. You can copy it, Control C and Control V, and the rest are not exactly the same. Now they are. What if you entered this formula in wherein the two cells were blank, like in this case? It will still return the answer as true because they are exactly the same, they are blank. All right. So this is how you use the exact formula. See you in the next video.